let me tell you a little bit about our mild surfactant course. Mild surfactants are basically liquid soaps. These are the type of liquid soaps that you see commercially in all of the stores. So that will be your hand washes, your body washes, your shower gels, your shower jellies, your bubble bath. All of those fall under the surfactant category. Now, we're not going to be using SLS or SLES, so don't worry if you don't want to use those ingredients. We're using very mild surfactants, but this is not a course where we're using plant oils and making the product from scratch. This literally is making products very, very similar to the things that you would see in the stores. If you are looking to make the products directly from scratch using plant oils, then you need to be checking out our other course, which is our natural liquid soap and cream soap making course. But let's get back to this one. We'll be discussing a range of different surfactants and what the pros and cons of each one are and how to use them most effectively. The beauty or bonus of making surfactant products rather than a liquid soap from scratch is the pure time frame that it takes. These are super fast to produce, they're very efficient, and that means that you can spend your time in your business doing other things. You don't need any prior knowledge at all to come on this course. We'll take you right through from the first steps to your finished product. And we'll show you how you can colour them, fragrance them, use your essential oils and all sorts of added extras to give yourself that more unique touch. So if you're looking to make liquid soaps and hand washes similar to the ones that you see in the stores, this is the course for you.